When some pests feed on plants, they weaken them, leading to damage or disease. Check out these 6 pests hiding in your garden. 1. Aphids. These pear-shaped pests suck sap from your plants, causing curled, spotted, and yellowed leaves. They also secrete honeydew, which can lead to mold growth and attract ants. 2. Thrips. When thrips feed on plant juices, the plants become deformed or blackened. Discoloration can occur when thrips lay eggs on the plants. 3. Whiteflies. Whiteflies gather under plant leaves and begin feeding. This hinders plants' growth and cause damage to the leaves. Whiteflies prefer to feed on vegetables. 4. Scale insects. These pests look like small bumps on a plant. Like whiteflies, they cluster together and feed on sap. Withering and yellow leaves can be a sign of scale insects. 5. Leafhoppers. Leafhoppers hide on the bottoms of leaves. Their feeding causes yellowing and spotting. They target flowers, fruit, and vegetable plants. 6. Mites. These arachnids look like tiny red or black specks on plants. When they feed, they can cause curling or yellow leaves. Spraying your plants with a plant-based insecticide spray can keep hungry bugs away. Our 3-in-1 garden spray kills pests on contact and will provide a repellent barrier to help keep them in check. You can reapply as needed. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website, maggiesfarmproducts.com.